Hi, in this I'm going to show you how to shim the Yale combination lock. It's very simple, very quick, and it's a lot quicker than trying to manipulate the spools on the inside. So here we go. You can buy these shims from most locksmith suppliers, or you can make your own out of a Coke can or something similar. But it's very simple to do. Place the shim alongside the shackle and slightly insert it. Then twist round so that the shim is now facing the opposite direction, and pull. It's that simple. Once more. Place the shim on the outside, rotate, and then just pull on the shackle. Thanks for watching.